Students. Currently, our region faces an imbalance in early, mid, and late maturing lychee varieties, with an excessive proportion of late maturing cultivars. Among them, early lychee alone accounts for about 80% of the total lychee area. Early, late maturing offers average quality, concentrated ripening period, high sales pressure, and low market prices. Price differences between common and premium varieties reach 5 to 10 times. Top grafting variety replacement is the simplest method for varietal improvement, restoring fruiting within 1 to 2 years. In this lesson, we will learn the large branch direct grafting technique for lychee top grafting. First, let's understand what top grafting is. It uses superior varieties as scions, grafted onto primary branches, secondary branches, tertiary branches, or higher-order branches of existing trees to replace current varieties, in order to adapt to market demands and improve economic returns. Which varieties are suitable for lychee top grafting? Introduction to lychee varieties. Early maturing and high-quality variety, Phasis Yao. The advantages of Phasis Yao include early maturity, high quality, high yield, stable production, and good grafting compatibility with Heye and Hurley cultivars. Early maturing and high-quality variety, Guizhaoli. It was selected in 2012 by Horticultural Research Institute of Guangxi Academy of Agricultural Sciences and Lingshan Fruit Bureau, seedling selection. The advantages of Guizhaoli include early maturity, 3 to 5 days later than Saoyehol, medium quality, high yield, stable production, and good grafting compatibility with Saoyehol, Heye, and Hurley. Late maturing and high-quality variety, Guiwei. The advantages of Guiwei include extremely high quality, being the best variety for fresh consumption, good grafting compatibility with Hurley, but poor compatibility with Heye. It is recommended to use Hurley as root stock. Late maturing and high-quality varieties, Guangyinglu, Xianjingfeng, Bingli, and Marguli. Now let's study the detailed operational steps of large branch direct grafting of lychee. First, branch sawing and stump retaining. Timing, February to May, or August to early October. Number of retained main branches, 4 to 5 including water sprouts. Make 6 to 8 pruning cuts. When branches are relatively low, keep the stump height between 90 and 120 centimeters. Second, grafting. Timing, February to May or September to October. Grafting immediately after sawing off branches. Methods, branch cleft grafting and bark inlay grafting. Third, advantages and disadvantages. Scope of application and recommended pros and cons. Pros, vigorous scion growth post-grafting. Lower grafting position for easier operation. Fewer grafting points and cost-effective. Con, slightly lower grafting success rate. Cleft grafting, rootstock preparation. Before grafting, the rootstock stub's upper surface should be smoothed with a knife. Make a vertical incision at the smooth section of the rootstock cut surface, ensuring the cut reaches only the cambium layer. The depth should be approximately 1.5 centimeters, with a smooth, non-fuzzy surface. Scion preparation. Trim the scion into small sections 5 to 8 centimeters long, each containing 2 buds. Create 2 beveled surfaces, a 2 centimeters long surface on the wider, smoother side and a 1 centimeter short surface on the opposite side. Scion insertion. Insert the scion into the rootstock, ensuring that the cambium layers are aligned, at least on one side. Leave 0.5 centimeter of the cutting surface exposed above the graft union during insertion. Bark inlay grafting, rootstock preparation. Make 2 vertical cuts on the inner, upper side of the branch stump with a grafting knife. Peel the bark away from the xylem. The incision depth should reach the xylem layer, and the width should match or slightly exceed the thickness of the scion. For thick bark, scrape off some old bark before cutting. This helps prevent the grafting bark section from breaking. Scion preparation and insertion. Trim the scions into small sections 5 to 8 centimeters long, each containing 2 buds. The cutting of the surfaces and the method of inserting the scion are the same as those used in cleft grafting. Binding. If sap flow is rapid and there is excessive sap bleeding, place a drainage branch below the stump to divert the sap away, preventing accumulation around the graft union and improving graft survival. Post-grafting management. Unbinding, after 1 to 2 scion shoots have matured. Water sprout removal, saw off water sprouts at the base after 2 new scion shoots have matured. Pest control, apply pesticides twice per shoot. Fertilizer and water management. Finally, through this lesson, we've mastered the technical essentials of lychee top grafting and recognized the importance of technological innovation for agricultural modernization. This technique not only optimizes variety structure and improves economic benefits but also helps increase farmers' income. As new era youth, we should actively engage in agricultural practice, apply our knowledge to rural revitalization, and promote high-quality agricultural development.